Previously on
Improper edits.
Cars Gate Up. Flashback.
Flashback. Hi Nick.
How we doing?
What are you watching?
I'm watching the old vlog because I've yet to actually watch it. So
And now we're making another one.
it's a vlog within a it's vlogception.
Turn back to simplicity.
We're in.
2K16.
Ow.
It.
Good.
What? What the fuck?
They tried to make it seem like that girl was like mentally disabled,
Yeah.
and she wasn't. I mean, she might have been slow, but she wasn't
So you
mentally
can hear
disabled.
thing.
Okay. Well, Raceland coilover, Honda things. Right here. New Swift Springs. What else did you do? That thing?
Hats.
No, this.
Oh, the adjustable
hats.
top hats for Camba.
Well, this thing was on there at one point, but we got stuck in the driveway, so
Had
we
to take it off. Megan Racing. That intake was already in it. What else?
No battery.
Oh yeah, battery relocated.
relocation. Pop the trunk.
Oh yeah, trunk setup. New jack.
Shit on the trunk. Fucked up.
Someone's phone's ringing. It's not.
I'll explain it.
Well, those are kickers.
Shout out Chris.
Custom box. Not
Shout-
made to spec.
Shout out Walking Dead.
And
Where's your
then
battery behind it?
batteries behind it, and then 2/8 are going on the side. Then I'm putting a hardwood floor in it.
Sick setup, bro.
I try.
2 amplifiers too.
Peep the exhaust.
I cut it though. It was longer.
Actually, I cut it.
So I bought these 7K or 7-inch 26K springs because I bought 10K or 10-inch 14K, and it raised my car like 6 inches.
So we had to get shorter springs.
Yeah, but it's alright because these compress. But I'm not.
that.
Obviously, I'm not as heavy as a car, so I mean, it would go down a little more.
And the spring will compress it too. Just a little bit.
But that's it. So now we're gonna put this bitch back in.
Alrighty.
Other side was done, obviously.
How
Yeah.
much camber did you get out of the top hats?
About 0.
Gotta fix.
Well, I got camber bolts, but I don't know how to put them in. Can you put the bolts in?
I thought we figured that out.
Yeah, well, I'm just gonna take it to Duke when I get it in line. Be like, here, can you put these on? If not, then I'm just gonna
Not do it.
cut my knuckle and all that.
Dremel mount and
Try
shit.
to watch your top hats too.
Alright, good shit, good shit. For the back suspension setup, there's 30, you can't see them, 34K. And then, what did you do for camber?
Took out 2 bolts.
So, it's kind of hard to tell, but it's really tilted, especially whenever it's on the ground.
We're estimating probably -9 to
Yeah.
negative, maybe 7 to 9. -7 to 9.
It'll come out fitted as
Roughly what
fuck
I'm gonna be running as well.
on the Stance Rig hatchback.
Yeah, it's a piece of shit. Alright guys, so just so you guys know, there's a PA car show that we go to here. It's called Carlisle Import Performance Nationals. I think that's what it's called. Right? Yeah, we go there every year. This year it's May 19th through the 21st. So if any of you guys want to come out, if any of you guys are local to Greensburg or anywhere around here, please come out. Register under Improper at I think what's the
Improper
website?
Imports.
We're gonna put a link to that website in the bottom of the YouTube video in the description. So just you know, keep posted. If we get, I think what 25 cars, we get a free tent. So just keep in touch on Instagram. Just
DM or whatever.
Yep. If you have any information on requesting banners or anything like that, just DM us at Improper Official on Instagram.
And we'll hook you up.
Yep.
Peace.
Right here.
I like to have it. People would be like, "Dude, I'm like, "Yeah, what the heck?"
3 inches. So it's 12 and a half inches.
It's a 2.5.
2.5 with a power change. 17 inches long. But it would still be a tune for probably like a 2.5 inch engine.
Keep it going.
Hey, it won't start.
Give it a little gas. Keep it going with those.
Squad. Honda tuning life.
He fucking wrecked the car. Just plowing. Yeah.
Wow. It started.
Smell all the fuel.
My mama call, see you on TV. Sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hating, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. That was never friendly, yeah. Now I'm jumping out of Bentley, yeah. And I know I sound dramatic, yeah. But I know I had to have it, yeah. For the money, I'm a savage, yeah. I be itching like I had it, yeah. I'm surrounded 20 bad bitches, yeah. But they didn't know me last year, yeah. Everyone wanna act like they important, but all that mean nothing when I saw my door, yeah. Everyone counting on me, drop the ball, yeah. Everything custom like I'm at the bottom, yeah, yeah. If you fuck with winning, put your lighters to the sky. How could I make sense when I got millions on my mind? Coming with that bullshit, I just put it to the side. Bought a sense of baby, they could see it in my eyes. My mama called, see you on TV. Sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hating, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
I was patient, yeah. Oh, I was patient. Now I can scream that we made it. Now everywhere I go, they say congratulations. Young nigga